Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains how to create hundreds of user accounts by importing user information with an Excel template. Navigate to the user profiles, click on the Load Users button, and download our predefined Excel template. To import the data properly, it is necessary to fill in the Excel template in the right manner. The Excel template consists of a sheet containing all relevant user information. There is also a sheet with a legend, explaining the fields that require the predefined code, such as user roles in the system, status, gender, and user groups. If you want to have a newly created user automatically added to a specific group, check the group ID number in the Information tab of User Groups. Navigate to Users, User Groups, and the group you need. This is the number to insert in the Excel template. The first 6 columns are mandatory to fill: username, password, codes denoting user's role and status, first and last name, and an email address. After you fill in the template, select the file and click the Upload button. To see imported users, check the Creation Date column and put it in the descending order. By clicking on the user's username, you can see that the account has been successfully created and the user profile can be opened. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.